Hi friends, here I am back with one more strategy. This I am calling it as fractal breakout trading strategy. One of my favorite strategy which is very close to my heart. I've been trying to bring this to your attention from quite some time, but because of hectic schedule I could not make a video on this. I am back again. It was the year 2013, about 5 years back. I bumped into a strategy on Nifty, so which is popularly now known as KISS trading strategy. It was so simple that I borrowed the word called KISS, which is keep it simple, stupid. And I started making videos. I made that video just out of curiosity from one trader's heart to another trader's heart, and that went viral. So that has been now seen by more than 60,000 people and discussed a lot in the trading circle. If you have not watched that video, go back to YouTube, search for KISS trading strategy, and you will find it. Now, coming back. So, what is fractal breakout trading strategy, and what are the things that we need? So, first thing that we need as a tool is one charting software. We will be using Zerodha as a charting tool for this. And if you guys are not able to see this screen, let me know. I will show you in a separate page. I can discuss this separately. What are the things that we will be using for this? Is we don't need okay, so the things that we need for this are, first is Zerodha charting tool or any other charting tool, and you only need technicals. I have added much more in the chart that I am showing, but you need only fractal and 13 days EMA. So how do you add fractal? Go to studies, you will see fractal Chow's bands. So if you add this, you will get this particular band, this and this, and there is something called moving averages, 13 EMA. So these are the two things that we will be using. We don't need MACD but for the time being I'll just keep it here. So alright, so some of the stocks that I've selected for this is TCS, KPIT, TV Today, IndusInd, Reliance, HDFC, but you can use other stocks as well. This video I want to keep it very short so that you understand the strategy, and in the next video I will be doing backtesting along with you. And if you have understood the strategy, go back, do the backtesting, share those backtesting results in the comments, and I have a surprise gift for those who will act, who will take this knowledge, implement it, and get some results. I'll share some of the core trading strategies that we discuss in our inner circle. Thank you. So how does this strategy work? So we have figured out that we need a charting software, and one of the technicals that we need is the fractal and 13 days moving average. Okay, now, so what is the entry setup? Where is the entry getting triggered? So you need to understand one thing, which is here the entry gets triggered on the fractal breakout. So what do you mean by fractal breakout? So fractal breakout is when this pink line that you are seeing, okay, let me delete this 13 days moving average and super trend and ATR, okay, let it be there. Okay, if it disturbs we can delete that. So I now have only 13-day moving average, fractal breakout, and so that's it in this particular chart that you are seeing. So okay, it starts with one of the wrong fractal breakout on the downside. So let's only look at long charts, long buying, only buying stocks. We are not looking at anything else for the time being. Okay, so what is the first thing that we are looking at in this? Okay, so let's start with this. So this is there is a fractal breakout here, but and then from then onwards market started going out, which means our first entry after the fractal breakout on the downside will be on the upside. So this is my first entry. So you will get this line automatically. For example, when the market is closed here, you know that the fractal breakout is at 2013, and likewise you will always be getting this particular entry. And so we were at this point, so the my entry is going to be at this line, and this is on this day. Okay, so what is my entry? Entry is high of this fractal, which is also this line, which is 1336 or 1337. That's the entry. And the stop loss is going to be the low of the candle that gets broken. The low of this candle is 1304, and the high of this is this line, which is 1337. So that's our entry, and I don't think this is broken. Let me check. In which case, low is 1304.18 and 1302. So this stop loss gets triggered, and we will take another entry here. Okay, and then now we will wait for another fractal breakout on the downside. So this you will wait for the stop loss to hit, or you will also wait for this 13-day moving average, a candle closing below this candle. Till then you will not be exiting. So there are one entry, two exits. So for 50% you exit at the low of the candle, and you also exit for that particular 50%. You will exit at 1:2. For the second 50%, you don't exit till you take the complete trend. So in this case, this we will continue with this entire profit, and we will exit here. So which means we bought at 1337 and sold at the close of this candle. Close of this candle is 1492. So 1337 and 1492. We will do the back testing. I trust me, we'll do the back testing, but I'm just testing the strategy along with you. So here we have one more entry again. This is the entry first, so 1500. And what is the stop loss? 1460, 40 points is our stop loss. And on the for the first lot, we will exit at 80 points, which means if it goes to 1580, and it has not gone to 1580, which means we will exit at the 13-day moving average. Any candle closing below 13-day moving average, in this case the close of this is 1513, which means you bought at 1500 and you exited at close of this, which is 1513. 13 points profit on both the lots. All right, so just move on. And now we are at this particular major junction. This is the buy point. Okay, and you are buying at 1444, and looks like the 1:2 is triggered, and you also take the trend following exit at the close of this 1571. So likewise the trades continue, and you continue to take buy and sell based on where your entries and exits are. So there is also a strategy within this strategy, which I will discuss next time. So we did discuss the entry setup, first lot, second lot. First lot entry is the same, second lot entry is also the same, but just that the for exit we will exit first lot at the low of the candle break. The second lot though is you are exiting at the 13-day EMA moving average. That's all for this video, friends. I will come back with much more videos, more backtesting, more power to traders and investors. Again, I will keep one point in mind, which is these strategies will not take more than 15 minutes of your time to execute. So that's the promise. And before I close, let me look at couple of one another, which is KPIT in this case. Let me see if we can get some profits in this. Okay, I'll start randomly. So there was the false breakout here, false breakout on the downside. We exit entry, we took an entry here. 1:2 is done, and I am now waiting for 13 days moving average. Yes, I got the 13-day moving average. So this got triggered here, and I exited at the close of this candle, which is 192.3. Now, so after this is exited, I again buy here, and I buy and I exit at the close of this. Again, I buy here, I sell here. So I buy here and then I sell here. So this continues. You will have you will hit. So in the trend following strategy, you will have one trade which will give you like huge profits. See, it's like, I mean, so although there is a false breakout here, but this has given you a lot of profits. So you can continue, you can run the profit. So remember one thing: run your profits long, cut your losses short. And as usual, if you need this mind map, just comment and I will share this mind map with you. With that, thank you and looking forward to seeing you, meeting you in my next video. Bye bye.